Hello friends. Have you noticed FSSAI printed on a packet of chips or a packet of biscuits or in any food items that you buy and ever wondered what that is? Welcome to Aarti's Tax Info. We are going to discuss about FSSAI registration in this video. So what is FSSAI? FSSAI stands for Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. This is a legislation that is brought in to ensure the safety of food items that you consume in the market. So who needs to get this license? To put it simply, anyone who handles food is supposed to get this. Be it a hawker, a pushcart vendor selling idli, if you're a person making some food items from your house, packing it there itself and selling it online or selling it through Swiggy or Zomato, or you are a restaurant, you are a repacker, relabeler, you are a manufacturer, you are a trader, or you just store food items and then send it somewhere else. No matter what kind of activity that you're into, if it involves handling food items, then you're supposed to get this thing. So the category of this FSSAI license that you're supposed to get depends on your turnover and a lot of other factors. To give you an example, if you take the turnover, if your turnover is 12 lakhs per annum, then you're supposed to only get a registration. If your turnover is somewhere from 12 lakhs to 20 crores or 30 crores per annum, you're supposed to get a state license. If your turnover is more than that, you're supposed to get a central license. So which category that you fall into will depend on the kind of activity that you're into. And also, if you have presence in more than one state and operating and selling stuff to more than one state, then also the central license would kick in. And if you're an importer or an exporter of food items, then in that case also the central license is required to be applied. So what are the documents required for getting the FSSAI license? The basic KYC is standard for all categories. By basic KYC, I mean your photo, your PAN card, your Aadhaar card, your rental agreement copy, your EB card copy, etc. And this is basic for all. And depending on the activity that you're into, some additional documents might also be required. Like if you're a manufacturer, in addition to the above documents, you have to give your list of equipments that you are using to manufacture the food item, the blueprint of the factory, and where you're storing your food items, and the factory photos. These kinds of extra documents would be required for different kinds of categories. The government fees for different kinds of licenses. So the basic for the basic registration, it's only 100 rupees per annum. If it's a state license, depending on the activity that you're into, it might change. It might be 2,000 per annum, 3,000 per annum, or 5,000 per annum. If it's a central license, it is 7,500 rupees per year. Now, what is the process of getting this license? The state license can be done both offline or online. For central license, only online application process is available. So you submit all these documents online or offline, and you pay the required government fee through the challan submitted with the FSSAI officer. He generally comes for an inspection to make sure that everything is in order. But this is not even though this is a mandatory requirement as per law, in the practical sense, a lot of times the officer doesn't come for an inspection. He just verifies the documents and gives you the license. This is generally given for a period of 1 year, but this can also be taken for a period of 3 or 5 years, depending on the kind of activity that you're into. For more details, or if you want a registration to be done, you can always contact us. I hope this video was of some use to give you the basic data about FSSAI registration. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.